Yo, what's going on YouTube? I know I haven't done a recap trading video in almost a century. It feels like I get it, but we're back. We're going to break down more trades, more insight, and so much more content for you guys. Today I'm going to be explaining exactly how I made $2,800 in profit, the screen right there, and how I'm able to stay consistent every single day. My last red day being almost 3.5 months ago. You heard me correctly, 3.5 months ago. If you guys are like, Will, I actually want to be able to trade live with you every single morning, be a part of your team, and actually learn this side by side with you. My link down below to join my exclusive Discord chat for the first 5 days, 100% for free. Wait down below in the comments. Without further ado, let's hop on into this. So this is today. This is Monday, and markets today were absolutely crazy volatile. We're at all-time highs, and we continue breaking all-time highs every single day. These last couple days, maybe 3 or 4 days. Let's go ahead and go to a bigger time frame to kind of break down what we're looking at here. Again, this is the NASDAQ NQ futures. This is what we trade every single morning. Now, you can see that we're all-time highs at $23,424, which is, again, absolutely mind-blowing. Just shocks me that the market just continues ripping every single second. And obviously, on a bigger time frame, we know that the overall market is bullish. Now, I hate trading all-time highs. I really do. I don't like trading them because we don't know that next ceiling. We don't know that next key level, and based on my strategy, I look for a few things: key levels, trend, and volume. Now, obviously the volume was there, the trend was there, but the key levels weren't, and that's what kind of made me a little iffy today. And surprisingly, most of you guys are going to be like, Will, you probably took a long today, right? Actually, surprisingly, no. We actually took shorts today. And you're like, Will, where did you take shorts? How did you take shorts? Just looking at this, it doesn't really make sense. Where would a good short position be? The overall market should have been long. You're absolutely correct. Now, again, let me move my face over here to kind of break this down. I truly did not like longs. I'll tell you why. Now, every single morning, just like I tell my team, I look for pre-market highs, pre-market lows, yesterday's highs, and yesterday's lows. Well, here's pre-market highs right here. And I always trade on a 2-minute time frame. I don't like trading on a 1 minute. Here's the 1 minute time frame. I don't like trading on a 30-second time frame. All these types of people that trade on less than a 2-minute time frame, I think they're absolutely crazy, because there's going to be crazy fake outs. There's going to be crazy wicks. You're going to get it confused in the overall direction, especially when we're scalpers or intraday day traders. We need to have at least some type of security in our time frames when we place markets. And again, the 2-minute time frame isn't that zoomed out. And this is what we traded on. So I was waiting for a potential break out of this pre-market high right here, which again, we did flawlessly. But what I need to happen are two things. I need a break out of that pre-market high, come down, retest it, and continue. Or I need to see a break of pre-market high, sweep those pre-market highs, and then change direction. Did that happen? No, both reasons did not happen. So I actually was sitting on my hands. My rules, my confirmations were not valid, and the trade left us. Now you'll be like, Will, you missed out on a crazy run to the upside. How are you freaking out? Do you have FOMO? Oh my goodness, what are you going to do? Absolutely not. I never have FOMO. I never freak out on my positions. I'd rather miss 99% of the trades and take that 1% that I'm actually confident and secure in. So I went ahead and I was like, you know what? I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm going to wait for some type of direction in the market. I'm going to wait for some type of something to say, hey, Will, let's take a very quick scalp to the downside, because we have a lot of levels to the upside. I mean, we have no levels to the upside. We have multiple levels to the downside. So let's see if we can find a position. So when we finally had highs of 23,422, I started seeing selling pressure. Now, was it good selling pressure? No. Was it crazy volume? No, it was not. But I saw it. And what I said was, okay, let's form some type of lower high. We have to find trend direction. The trend direction is lower lows, lower highs, or higher highs, higher lows. We see that we have a high. Let me actually go ahead, take that left extension off so you guys can kind of see what we're doing here, so it'll be kind of easier to read this. And we can see that we have that right here. We have some type of higher low or lower high, and we started selling off. Now, I was waiting for some type of support, some type of retracement before I just go ahead and just take a short position. And that's exactly what I did. We knew that we had previous support right here. We knew that we just formed a lower high right here. So I'm going to see if we can bounce off of this and then sell off. What happened? We bounced off of it and we sold off. So then I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take my short on this break, and then obviously target these lows down here, which again, we hit to the dime. Now, was it the biggest trade? Was it the most sexiest trade on the planet? Absolutely not. It was 100% not. But what was it? It was following my rules, following my game plan and sticking to my strategy. And even though it wasn't a 50, 60, $70 point move that gave me $1 trillion, it still gave me enough money to be happy with, to walk away and be consistent in. So when you guys are looking to take positions, you have to follow your rules. You have to follow your game plan. If you're not following your game plan, you're not following your rules, then I can promise you, you're just not going to be consistent. And as a trader, it's not about how much money you can make. It's not about how much money you can lose. It's about how much money can you keep and how consistent can you be in the profits that you do make. Think about that. So again, that's the recap. Again, one trade done and done. We have to know that we're not supposed to be taking 1,000 trades a day. We're not supposed to be taking 100 trades a day. 1 or 2 trades a day that line up with our strategy, make our money, turn off our computer, walk away, and repeat. So again, hope you guys kind of like that video. If you guys do want to join my team and be a part of one step of the Stock Seeker team, link will be down below. If you guys want to be like, you know what, I'm trying to find a good prop for me to get started with, that'll be down below in the description as well. Hope every single one of you guys on a Monday had a great morning, or didn't trade if you guys didn't find anything. I'll catch you guys in the next one.